What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel where we take you on epic adventures from a whole new perspective. Dr. John here, and today we're soaring high above Oman's most breathtaking destinations, all seen through the eyes of a drone. Get ready to experience the magic of Oman like never before as we glide over its iconic landmarks and hidden gems. Prepare yourself for jaw-dropping aerial views of majestic mountains, ancient cities steeped in history, and dramatic rocky landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see. We'll also be flying over sparkling turquoise waters, pristine beaches, and natural wonders like the incredible Bima sinkhole. Scenes so stunning, you'll be itching to pack your bags and book a flight to Oman right away. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing journeys. Stick around until the end, because I'll be revealing a secret bonus spot that's an absolute must-see. Ready to take off? Let's dive into Oman's wonders from above. First stop, Muscat's Sultan Qaboos Grand Mosque, a gleaming marvel of faith and architecture. Our drone reveals intricate mosaics, massive Persian carpets, and a prayer hall that fits over 20,000 people. It's a breathtaking symbol of unity and artistry. Next, we glide along the Mutra Corniche, where tradition meets progress and the past seamlessly intertwines with the present. This iconic waterfront is a living testament to Muscat's rich heritage and its vibrant, ever-evolving spirit. See wooden dhows gently bobbing in the harbor, reminders of Oman's seafaring legacy, and bustling souks alive with the energy of daily life. The air is thick with the scent of frankincense and exotic spices, drawing you into a sensory journey through time. As the drone pulls back, modern skyscrapers rise behind ancient alleys, a striking visual blend of old-world charm and contemporary ambition. Mutra is truly the heart of Muscat, a place where every sunrise brings new stories and every corner echoes with the city's enduring soul. Now, we dive into the golden waves of Wahiba Sands, endless dunes sculpted by the wind. Watch 4x4s race across the sand and soar over tranquil Bedouin camps nestled in the vast desert. It's adventure and serenity, all in one sweeping view. We ascend Jebel Akhdar, where jagged peaks pierce the clouds and villages cling to cliffs. Our drone uncovers lush green terraces, hidden gardens carved into the mountainside. It's a testament to Omani ingenuity and breathtaking natural beauty. Next, we find paradise at Wadi Shab, crystal-clear turquoise pools tucked between towering cliffs. The drone follows the winding canyon, revealing secret caves and waterfalls. And yes, you can actually swim behind that hidden waterfall. Along the remote coast at Ras Al Jinz Turtle Reserve, our drone glides silently above the sands, capturing a breathtaking sight. Endangered green turtles slowly emerging from the waves beneath the gentle glow of the moonlight. This is one of the world's most important nesting sites for these gentle giants. Watch as these ancient mariners, some weighing over 150 kilograms, laboriously make their way up the pristine beaches to lay hundreds of eggs in carefully dug nests, continuing a ritual that has taken place here for thousands of years. And if you're lucky, you might witness a truly heartwarming moment. Tiny, vulnerable hatchlings breaking free from their sandy nests and bravely racing toward the vast ocean, guided only by instinct and the shimmering light on the water. Experiencing this remarkable cycle of life up close is both humbling and magical, a rare encounter with nature's resilience and beauty that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. During Kharif season, Salalah transforms. Waterfalls cascade from emerald cliffs and the land bursts with life. Our drone soars above this lush paradise, capturing the symphony of water and greenery. It's a sight you'll never forget. And that's Oman from above. Which spot amazed you most? Drop a comment below, share, and subscribe for more epic drone journeys. We've got ancient ruins, hidden caves, and more coming soon. See you in the next adventure.